Today, all companies across all industries want and need to be more responsive to its customers, to understand its customers' issues before they do, and be instantly responsive to the unique requirements of its customers. No more so than in the retail banking sector, where the ability to bring together every aspect of a customer's interaction with the bank across every divisional group, such as mortgages, loans, insurance, etc., enables a bank to provide a customized perspective of that customer, making him or her feel special, and to understand how new services not yet procured by the customer can be upsold. In essence, these 360 customer platforms need the ability to blend historical customer information with real-time up-to-the-second streaming data. This core technology would be streaming analytics from Oracle. Now, these streams of data can arrive from both transactional and non-transactional sources, so instantaneously one can understand the full context of a customer's interaction with the bank over a temporal period. Here we can see the defined system settings for the Kafka and Spark clusters that will be used for the deployed solution. Firstly, we create the relevant connections to the data transportation layers and the database. Created references to various persisted database table information provides the ability in the subsequent created pipeline application to join with the banking data streams, giving more context for analysis. Here, we now start a collection of simulation streams related to general customer interaction, checking account data, and bank credit card data usage. Once running, we then define the streams for analysis using the Oracle Stream Analytics user experience. Notice as you create the stream definition, the system dynamically infers the data shape of the event message data type as the payload arrives on the Kafka topics. Now that all of these base artifacts have been created, connections, streams, and references, we can create the pipeline application to blend and analyze all of this data. So for example, a bank teller can instantly retrieve the current customer's 360 perspective and provide a unique and customized conversation. This personalized approach makes the customer service interaction more appealing and facilitates the referencing and cross-selling of additional useful banking services. Okay, so let's create the solution application pipeline, and let's call it Customer 360, and initially select one of our streams, which in this case is the primary customer interaction stream. All of the runtime elements, artifacts, libraries, etc. are dynamically constructed, bounded together, and the foundational pipeline application deployed to the Spark infrastructure with the streaming results returned to your user experience tooling with zero coding. Now we can instantly observe the customer's interactions with the bank, such as their related account numbers, the source channel, related subject, and a date and time. In the next processing query stage, we will enrich this streaming data with the details of each customer from persisted database tables. Selecting the available account owner table, we correlate based on the common data account number property. You can see the live output stream now includes the additional 2 columns from the specific database table row. You are not limited on the number of persisted tables to join, so we can increase the data context with more informational sources, in this case using the owner details, correlating using the first and last name of the customer. Now the live output stream includes a wealth of information for each banking customer. The goal at this point for our 360 customer perspective is to clearly understand, as the customer interacts now with the bank, what is happening in relation to his checking account, saving accounts, his credit card usage. Is this person even using the provided bank credit card? If not, then perhaps we can entice more usage with a charging % discount, etc. To gain this collective knowledge, we will use a left outer join pattern available from the patterns library, which allows us to provide an enriching stream called the checking account stream. We then correlate using the account number provided from the previous stage streaming data, and then define the relevant time window for both of these unbounded data streams. In this case, we can use 1 hour. Now the live output stream view shows which customers are having activity on their checking accounts, such as deposits or withdrawals to and from different sources, and also those customers with no activity. To extend our analytics, we now also want to enrich our streaming data with the customer's credit card activity using the same approach with a left outer join pattern. As before, we correlate using the account number, but this time using the associated credit card number, and define once again the temporal boundaries on the streams over a continuous flowing 1 hour period. Now we have a single perspective of each customer's current real-time interaction activities with the bank, including from their checking and credit card usage. Some are having activity across all accounts, while others only on their credit cards, etc. We can manipulate the table views as needed to quickly observe the required data stream information. So we have now a complete full 360 view of the customer's interaction, a global view of the customer, which can be leveraged in many ways to improve the customer service provided to each customer. To trigger the relevant downstream applications and/or business processes with this data, we define a target definition. At this point in the application pipeline, The various streaming data field properties can be optimized, for example, by deleting duplicate information. Once done, the target is saved and the pipeline application is now ready to send the defined new collective data shape either to a Kafka or REST endpoint for immediate processing and action. So there we have it. We have now created the blended 360 customer perspective analyzed data from all of the relevant banking systems to provide a valuable, improved customer services and banking product up and cross-sell experience, not in days or months, but in minutes.